rabbit, okay? So you just get used to it. Come down.
Do I have to hit it this way?
Yeah, we're going to. You've seen the target, so we're going to now shoot. You need to come down with the barrel. It's exactly the same, but just a bigger caliber.
Don't look at the bead.
Don't look at the bead, exactly that.
Just another few seconds and then I'll stop.
Okay. Lean in, push your that's better. To the front. A bit more than that. Oh, wrong button. Oh, another go. Good girl, well done.